Morning everyone, James here. It's non-farm payrolls Friday today, so everything is going to change in about 3 hours time when the non-farm payrolls jobs number comes out. This is the most important jobs number of the month. It comes out on the first Friday of every month. It's coming out today. So whatever we see on these charts, everything will change up like it always does with NFP. And whatever you see right now may be completely different in a few hours time. But nevertheless, let's have a look at what we've got going on. We're still long on the euro. There are 2 long positions and I'm expecting the dollar index to keep moving down. Bit of a bump up today, that's okay. And we're still short on the euro yen, long on the Aussie dollar. So nothing's really moved now for days on end, particularly on the Aussie dollar. I do expect the dollar index to move down to 93. We're currently trading at 99. So that's about a 600 pip move down on the dollar, which should push the majors up by a similar amount. That could push the euro all the way up to 1.2, the pound much higher, and the dollar yen downwards. As you can see, the dollar yen, despite all the talk about the carry trade unwind, is being particularly stubborn. I'm looking to sell this into rallies. We haven't had the right chance yet. And ideally, this trend line, which has now been broken twice, if we break it a third time and manage to get up to the 200 period moving average here at around 149, there'd be an opportunity to sell that too. On stocks, I'm still fully hedged on the Nasdaq, fully hedged on the S&P, short on the German 30, long on Nvidia, long on MSTR, and I'm looking to buy Tesla today, later on when the market opens. I know that Elon and the Donald are having quite a major tiff right now. These 2 grown men should stop it and get on with business and start sorting things out. I don't believe we'll get a chance to buy Tesla any cheaper in the future, so I'll be looking to buy Tesla at the open of the market today. Going across to cryptos and metals, we're still long on Ethereum. We took a new long tranche yesterday. Bitcoin was an interesting play. I put this up on X and my private group, of course, as well yesterday. I actually sold here, hedging half of my entire long Bitcoin position, which is quite substantial at this stage, and then took profit down at the bottom at the 50-period moving average and this horizontal support line. I made good mention of this play yesterday across all the media that I'm involved with, and I said I'd be selling there and exiting here to look to rebuy. So I've done exactly that. I took a $4,000 profit down at the bottom here after the move down, exited the hedge, and I added some more long Bitcoin at the same price. We've since moved back to 103,800. So that was fantastic, a little bit lucky as always. All trading's a bit lucky really, I suppose. Now on gold, we're fully hedged. I have no positions open, no directional position. We have some shorts on and I have an equally sized long position. And then on silver, wow, what a move. I can't believe this actually got going eventually, but it has done. And we have a 14% rally from the bottom up to where we are right now. We got long over here at the green arrow at about 32. We're currently trading at 36 now. Target for silver is $37.50 and then $50 thereafter. That'll take some time. I'm also long on XRP and I'm also long on copper, although that was rejected quite strongly yesterday and we're moving a bit lower down today as well. We got long down here at $4.70. We're currently trading at $4.82. We did get as high as $5.02. And if we manage to close this month at that level, that will be the highest monthly close ever on copper. Going across to energies, we're still long on uranium, long on UEC. We're short on natural gas and we're short on Brent crude oil. Quickly looking at natural gas, well, I think, like all the other stuff today, this is going to change up with the non-farm payrolls later, which affects the dollar more strongly than most things. And the dollar will affect all the commodity prices as well because they're all priced in dollars. So whatever happens in a few hours' time with the non-farm payrolls, we'll see a bit of thrashing around in natural gas. I have a fairly decent sized short position on now. We took shorts up here at the end of May. I then bought at the bottom to hedge those shorts. We exited the shorts a bit later on, a couple of days ago, and we've added some more short positions on right here. So I'm basically short from the current price. I'm looking for this to move down to $3, but I'm allowing for a move up higher. If we break and close above these current levels at about 3.8 to 3.82, then we'll have to consider hedging natural gas. But as I said earlier in the video, all of these charts will look completely different in a few hours' time when the non-farm payrolls number comes out. And of course, as I said, it affects the dollar dramatically, and that will affect all the commodity prices. The jobs report will also affect the 10-year yield and TLT. And let's have a look at where we are on this. We broke down through that pretty important support level a couple of days ago. We bounced back up to the underside of it, retesting it from underneath. And today we're moving down a wee bit again. That move prompted me to get an extra long on TLT, and we got long here at the bottom of yesterday's move. We moved up, and today we're just moving up a little bit in pre-market again today. And that's it, folks. I haven't changed any of my positions on the softs and grains on the commodities, so I'm not going to cover that today. But all eyes today will be on Bitcoin and the stock markets and what happens with the jobs report, I suppose. And that's basically what it boils down to. So have a great trading day. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Consider joining the channel for $1 a month. There's a link below. See you in the next video. Take care.